veterinary assistant class, primarily just learning the very fundamentals of medical terminology, understanding some basics of anatomy and physiology, pharmacology.
And then we have our vet tech program. I always equate that to like a registered nurse. We don't deal with one species, we deal with multiple species. I think a lot of students think they're just going to do exams and vaccines. It can be so much more.
I think the advantage of coming to MCC is we have a staff, first of all, that has all been in the field for a significant amount of time. And they know what it's going to be like for these students when they get out into the real world, so we can prepare them for that. I think we have a lot of hands-on experience here.
It's a great opportunity for them to put together the book learning and the hands-on skills thing. It's kind of like a light bulb will go off because they have that connection now between hands-on and the books. And it's kind of fun watching the newer wave or the newer generations coming up to bat to be able to feel those same emotions as I did years ago.
Not only do we work with a variety of species, we get to do so many cool things.
I think it is a good career, but it certainly is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to make a living and stay sharp and have a wide variety of experiences for as long as you're doing it.